Good morning, children. In the earlier session, we had learned about the three river basins in the northern plains. Now, in this session, we are going to learn about each basin in detail. And you had learned about the map, how to mark it. First of all, directions. Next, legend. Third, marking. Then, coloring. Now, in this session, we will learn about the Ganga basin, how to mark the Ganga basin. Ganga basin comes under Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Brahmaputra basin comes under Assam. Satluj basin is in Punjab and Haryana. Let us learn the details of the basins in our session. Today we are going to learn about the first river basin, that is the Ganga river basin. River Ganga originates in the Gangotri glacier high up in the Himalayas. The Ganges flows through the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Children, in this map you can see the course of river Ganga. The area where river Ganga flows is the Ganga basin. Here you can see the course of river Ganga in the map. River Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar and flows down and is joined by its tributaries. A tributary is a river or stream that flows into a larger river or lake. River Yamuna is the most important tributary of river Ganga. They both meet at Allahabad and is called as Sangam. Sangam means meeting place. Here every 12 years Kumbh Mela is celebrated by thousands of pilgrims. River Ganga, when it flows through West Bengal, it branches into Hooghly and Padma. River Hooghly flows through Kolkata to enter Bay of Bengal. River Padma flows through Bangladesh and joins Brahmaputra to form the Sundarban Delta, the largest delta in the world. The Ganga basin is the most densely populated part of India. Rishikesh, Haridwar, Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Allahabad, Ayodhya, Patna, Varanasi and Kolkata are located on the bank of Ganga. The second river basin of the northern plains is the Brahmaputra basin. The river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is known as Tsangpo. It enters India in Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam and enters Bangladesh. Children, in this map you can see the course of river Brahmaputra. The area where river Brahmaputra flows is known as the Brahmaputra basin. The monsoon winds bring heavy rainfall to the Brahmaputra basin. The heavy rainfall causes floods to the rivers and surrounding areas. The silt produced by heavy floods is good for growing crops such as rice and jute. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga begins to break into small branches called distributaries and forms the Sundarban Delta, the largest delta in the world. Children, you can see in the map how the river has branched out before joining Bay of Bengal. Now we are going to learn about the third basin, that is Satluj basin. The river Satluj originates in Tibet near the Mansarovar lake. Mansarovar is a very holy place for the Hindus. Then the river flows through Himachal Pradesh and enters Haryana and Punjab. Children, in this map you can see the course of river Sutlej. The area where river Sutlej flows is known as the Sutlej basin. As the Sutlej basin region does not receive much rainfall, farmers depend on canals, rivers and dams for irrigation. The famous Bakra Nangal Dam has been built on river Sutlej and provides electricity and water for irrigation. Irrigation means supply of water to land or crops through canals, dams, etc. The Indira Gandhi Canal starts from the river Sutlej and provides water to the dry regions of Rajasthan. The canal has helped the farmers to grow crops. Most of the part around the canal has turned green. Wheat, rice, sugarcane and cotton are the main crops grown in this region. Amritsar, Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Patiala, Ludhiana and Ambala are some of the important cities of the region.
Northern Plains. The northern plains are situated between the Himalayas in the north and Deccan Plateau in the south. They stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The northern plains can be divided into three basins: the Sutlej basin in the west, the Ganga basin in the middle, and the Brahmaputra basin in the east. The Sutlej basin. The river Sutlej flows towards the southwest through Punjab and joins the Indus River in Pakistan. The Sutlej river basin is very fertile. Many crops are grown here. The Bakra Dam is built across the Sutlej river. The Ganga basin. The Ganga is the most important river in the northern plains. The river originates as Bhagirathi from a glacier called Gangotri in the Himalayas. Many Himalayan rivers such as Gandak, Gomti, Ghagra and Kosi join Ganga on its journey eastwards. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. It splits into two branches. One branch is the Hooghly, which flows through the city of Kolkata, and the other branch enters Bangladesh and is known as Padma. The delta made by Ganga and Brahmaputra is the largest in the world. It is called the Sundarbans. The Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra river rises in Tibet and enters India from the east. It flows through a narrow valley in Assam. The Brahmaputra is the longest of the three great rivers of North India and enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. Now let us have a look of life in the northern plains. Let's begin with Punjab. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. The famous Golden Temple is situated in the city of Amritsar. The people of Punjab speak Punjabi and Hindi. Gurpurab, Baisakhi, Holi and Diwali are the main festivals celebrated in Punjab. Next comes Haryana. Haryana is situated in the Sutlej basin. Gurgaon in Haryana has the largest car manufacturing plant in the country called the Maruti factory. Delhi. We all know that Delhi is the capital of India. All the central government offices are located in New Delhi. All major festivals are celebrated in Delhi and people from all states lives here. Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid are some of the famous monuments in Delhi. Hindi, English and Punjabi are the main languages spoken in Delhi. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the large and thickly populated state. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. The main languages spoken in Uttar Pradesh are Hindi and Urdu. Allahabad, Varanasi, Agra and Kanpur are some important cities in Uttar Pradesh. The rivers Ganga and Yamuna meet at the Sangam in Allahabad. Bihar. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Eid, Diwali and Dasara are the main festivals celebrated here. The languages spoken are Hindi, Urdu and Maithili. The important traditional festival of Bihar is Chhat. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are some of the important historical cities of Bihar. Jharkhand. The capital of this new state is Ranchi. Jharkhand is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, copper and aluminium ores. One of India's largest steel plants is located at Bokaro in Jharkhand. West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Fishing is an important occupation of the people. The language spoken here is Bengali. Durga Puja is the most important festival in West Bengal. Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Guwahati is the biggest state of Assam. It is near Dispur. The people speak Assamese and the main festival is Bihu. The Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary of Assam is famous for one-horned rhinoceros.
Children, in this session we have learned that there are three river basins: the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin and the Satluj basin. River Ganga originates in the Gangotri glacier and flows through the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal and flows into Bay of Bengal. The Brahmaputra river originates in Tibet where it is known as Sangpo. It enters Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam and joins Padma, the branch of Ganga in Bangladesh, and forms Sundarban Delta, the largest delta in the world. The river Satluj originates in Tibet near the Mansarovar lake. It flows through Haryana and Punjab. The Satluj region does not receive much rainfall. The largest dam, the Bhakra Nangal Dam, is built on river Satluj. The Indira Gandhi Canal provides water to the dry regions of Rajasthan. Next, in the next session, we will learn about the life of the people of the northern plains. Thank you, children. Bye.